Hello everyone. Now, today we will see how to download disaster dataset of Nepal from its official portal. It is known as BIPAD portal. So you need to type BIPAD uh, uh, dot g BIPAD BIPAD dot BIPAD portal dot gov dot np. And when you click enter, you'll see this interface. And if you see here is the dashboard will give the information about 7 days. So you can see it is 2025 610 to 2025 617, what type of event it is going on. So we can see the rainfall is heavy rainfall has occurred in different part, and flood warning has also been established, and it has been showing that, and as well as the time as well. You can also directly download those information into CSV file. I'm going to show something interesting with incident portal. Incident, if you click on incident, you can see the current 7 days incident, as well as its estimated loss. So in the last 7 days, you can see who people have already died, and three infrastructure has been destroyed. 81 life stock has been destroyed due to heavy rainfall, thunderbolt, fire, this type of event which has been most frequent in context of Nepal. So if you want to download, as this data are all reported by government bodies like Nepal Police or DRR focal person, this helps us in a research work to validate those data sets that we are doing. We are analyzing whether our result is correct or not. In such a situation, now if you want to see, I have just click on the clock, then you can customize and enter the data of your choice. Suppose I want to see of 2020, sorry, I want to see of 2016 to uh, okay, I want to see of 2016 to 2025, what type of flood event has been occur. So I have just select the date, and now I go on incident and click on flood. So I am only interested in flood incidents in Nepal. So you can see it is loading, and it shows that I have 579 people dead, 2 billion estimated loss, infrastructure damage, everything information is over here. And I can directly download it. uh, I can also visualize it on the in terms of incidents as well as in terms of fertility due to the hazard law. And I can download it into the CSV file. Just click here to download into CSV file, and now I have a solid database which is analyzed, which analyze of past uh, nearly 10-year event uh, of a flood. So we can also do it a similar way, but if you want to select, I only want to see of Bagmati province, then you can click on Bagmati and submit it, and every stat will be changed. Sometime it will take time. So I think the stat has been changed. Let me go back. Okay, Bagmati submit. Okay, now its stat has been changing. So in Bagmati, in last 10 year 296 incident has occurred in different part, and you can see the cluster is you can also see the cluster is nearly in the Kathmandu area is quite high. So it is really interesting to see. uh, and the Kathmandu area has is a valley. Kathmandu Valley is a valley, so when there is a flooding, it is most likely the water um, will be accumulated in the Kathmandu Valley. So this is a scientific reason. We can also interpret this type of reason in a scientific way. And there is also a Chittagong, another part where this type of event are much more frequent. Let's say on a forest fire, then I can just click here, remove the flood, and I'm only interested in forest fire. So if I see click over here, then you can see the more cluster is over Lalitpur area. So if you see in a forest fire event has caused a major atmosphere damages, that is due to the forest fire which occur in this cluster. And the wind flow direction is also most likely from Chitwan to passing through this cluster, so it will be more impactful in the Kathmandu Valley. You can also see similar kind of pattern, and you can download those data set Let's go on another section, that is damage and loss section. Then if you click on it, then you can see the damage and loss graph side, and it has already analyzed you so that it is very easier. You can also compare different location, Pangmati versus Kosi, and then you can see how it has been impacting one after another. Let me show you another is there is a real time. The real time is the real observatory data sets. You can see the rainfall over Narani is higher to 200 1 to 1.8 mm. So this type of information are here, but this information will be only of 7 days status. This is above warning level. So maybe they have already established warning sign over there, and people are in a safe side. So this type of information are also available in real time model. If you go on a profile, you can see the demographic data. Everything are available over here. The most interesting to see is the risk info, and inside the risk info, if you see the capacity and research, there are all of the informations related to education, health, bank information, cultural side, everything is available here. These all information are ground collected. So there is no direct way to download it, but you can always download it and geocode it with Python. So if you see over your data set, and you can see you can download this information, and with the name like Sribal school, and then you can have something like word, and then maybe there is also a local address, and then yeah, local address is there, but when many time this field is on field. So if it is field, then we can do geocoding with local address, and the location will be tentative to that point. So these are all those information that I want to show you quickly, and you can understand how it has been changing. So if you are interested in air atmosphere and atmosphere related event, you can also go on data archive, and you can see the atmospheric condition over the different region.